Good morning, everybody. Hey, I put these videos on here about every other day or so. I try to keep them about 10 minutes because I want you guys to be able to, grab yourself a cup of coffee, kick back, and watch a 10-minute video. Or maybe a little more, or maybe a little less. Whatever it is, I hope you enjoy it. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. I just got these today in the mail. My other batteries on the GoPros here, well, they're a few years old and they're not holding the charge like I think they should. Matter of fact, this one I wrote on it that it stays for good for 2 hours. It does not. It does not. So I think I've had these for, I may have had these for 3 years, at least 2 years. So what we got is get these. These are supposed to be high capacity. They're more expensive. There's no doubt about that. Get a knife out here and open them up. Thank you very much for this knife there, Spanky. He gave me that. I use it every time I use it. I think of that boy. Don't know if he's going to make it to Sturgis this year. He's got a back problem, but don't we all? We'll be there in 2026, guys. No matter what, we will be. So I'll put the price on what I paid for these on here. Let's see if we can get them out of there. And then I'll put a link on it. If you guys want to buy anything, if you use my link, I actually get a couple pennies. I mean, I ain't kidding, a couple pennies. Less than $1 for sure off anything you order, almost. Well, these are rounded. These are square. They're supposed to fit. But we're going to try that out right now. Looks like the bottom, which would be the important part, looks like that's going to fit. So let's try this and see how much charge came in them. And then I'm going to charge them up before I use them. They fit in there nicely. Let's see what we got for power. Matter of fact, we're filming with the GoPro right up here, and I'm using that app I told you guys about. 71% in that battery. So it's definitely going to get charged up. So let's turn that back off, put the other one, see what it's going. Okay. 71% in that one, brand new. My computer keeps flashing the old dreaded blue screen. Sounds like it just did it again. No, it didn't. You know. Got lots of videos coming your way, guys. Let's get this one out. Same thing. And we'll put these in here like that. See what this one's got. %. So that must be what they're charged. So we're going to pull them back out. And we're going to get the little charger over here. I'll drop you a link to this little charger. It's a pretty handy little sucker too. You can use it a couple ways. You can just plug this one in to your USB port anywhere, and you drop your batteries right in there. I got one in there. It's got 95%. We're going to drop that one in there, and we're going to drop this one in there, and it's reading 70. And whoops, that ain't the one I want. We want the white one. It's supposed to last longer. Let's see if we can. Yep, we got 69 in one, 70 the other. You know, they don't fit in that as good as the other. Well, that one don't. Huh. I got another charger too. We're going to put the lid on that. They both reading 69. What we got to do now is find a plug-in right here. Now you can, like I said, you can plug this right into a USB port, or you can plug it in like this with the C port. Right now we 69. We'll let them charge up and see how they work. They are higher capacity, supposedly. They're a name brand. Came in a nice little box, as you've seen, packed well. We got. I got other chargers too. I keep one of these in the bike. So if it's good, I ain't gonna tell you anymore. If it's bad, you know I'm gonna tell you all about that. So we're gonna conclude this little video because I have another one to make right after this one. Clear all this out, put this on there.